Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make bubble and squeak. First, gather your ingredients. The star of the show is always cold, leftover mashed potatoes, about 2 cups worth. You'll also need 1 cup of cooked, chopped green vegetables like cabbage or Brussels sprouts. Don't forget a generous knob of butter or 1 tablespoon of oil for frying, and of course, salt and freshly ground black pepper to season this delightful dish perfectly. It's a fantastic way to use up leftovers. Now let's get mixing. Take your cold mashed potatoes and your finely chopped, cooked vegetables and place them into a large bowl. It's crucial that the potatoes are cold, as this helps the patties hold their shape. Use your hands or a sturdy spoon to thoroughly combine everything until it's well incorporated. Once mixed, divide the mixture into 4 to 6 equal portions and gently form them into round, flat patties about 1 inch thick. These will be your delicious bubble and squeak cakes. It's time to cook. Heat a large, heavy-bottomed frying pan over a medium-high heat. Add a generous knob of butter, about 2 tablespoons, or your preferred cooking oil. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, or the oil is hot, carefully place your bubble and squeak patties into the pan. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if necessary. Fry them for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. This creates that irresistible crust. Your incredible bubble and squeak is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve these golden, crispy patties immediately. They make a fantastic and hearty side dish for almost any meal. Traditionally, bubble and squeak is a staple of a full English breakfast, but it's also absolutely delicious alongside roasted meats, grilled fish, or even topped with a perfectly fried egg for a simple lunch. For an extra touch of freshness, you can garnish with a sprinkle of chopped fresh parsley. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.